What a windy day. Look at how the trees are swaying in the breeze. Do you know what's fun to play on a windy day? Fly a kite, of course. Hello, Eggies. Are you having fun? Oh, that looks like really strong wind. Hold tight. Doesn't look like Eggy Chicken is flying the kite anymore. Looks like the kite is flying Eggy Chicken. Oh no, the kite is flying away. Eggies, chase it. Oh, thank goodness it got caught on the fence. Nothing like a little pull won't do the trick. Oh, but now it's stuck. The wind is a little too strong. Perhaps Eggy Cat and Eggy Bear can help. Ready? 1, 2, 3, pull! Whoops. Are you all right, Eggies? They tried, but the wind was far too strong. They had no choice but to leave the kite and go back indoors. They waited and waited to see if the wind would slow down, but it didn't. All that waiting made the Eggies really sleepy. Off to bed, Eggies. I'm sure the kite will be fine. Good night, Eggy Bear.
Okay.
Good night, Wormo. Good night, Eggy Chicken. Eggy Cat, I think it's time for bed, dear. You look really sleepy. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little Eggy. There you go. The Eggies fell fast asleep and started dreaming, each of them with their own special dreams. What could Eggy Cat be dreaming? Just as the Eggies were having a nice dream, they were woken up by a strange sound. There it is again. What is that sound I hear? Knockety knock going in my ear. I need to look around to find out what is that strange sound. Crickety crack, knockety knock. There's that strange sound again. It sounds like someone is knocking at the door. But who could be knocking at this time of night? Don't be scared, Eggy Cat said. As soon as they approached the door, Don't be scared, Eggies. I'm sure the sound isn't as scary as you think. Let's find out together. Here, there's only one way to do this, and that is to play a really cool music track.
on, Eggies, you can do it! Let's find out what is that sound. Nearly there. What? Oh, I get it. That whole time, it was the kite knocking on the door. I think I know what happened. In the middle of the night, the wind must have changed directions, causing the kite to fly towards the house and knock on the door. So there's nothing to be afraid of. The wind finally had stopped, and the Eggies freed the kite from the fence. Now they can finally get some sleep in peace and quiet. Huh?
Hello?
Phew, it was Wilmo. Oh, were you locked outside?
I hear a sound, let's go take a look. Cling clang there and a bing bang here. I hear a strange sound in my ear. Be brave and have no fear.
To watch full episodes of the Eggies,
Click on the link below.